Hi everyone and welcome back to Crafty Bees channel. In this video, as I promised, I'm going to show you how I create my intros for my YouTube videos. You can create intros, you can create Instagram posts using this website. It's called Canva. You can use, or you can actually get to use Canva on phones, tablets, computers, laptops, absolutely anything that you've got internet on and a bit of technology in there. And now I'm showing you the first page that you're gonna see when you get onto that website. You got thumbnails, you got Instagram posts, you got Facebooks and social media animated. I'm literally showing you the first page with a ton of different options for you. Some are free, and for some you do have to pay for if you want, or you really like that design that you want to go for. Anyway, I'm gonna show you two different ways, which is two free different ways I create my intro, which I really do enjoy using this Canva. It's free and it's so easy, and the template's already there. You just have to rename it, or add your own touch to them, and you're done. There you go. I got to the YouTube intros. I'm showing you now. As I click on see all, there's a ton of them. Definitely have options, ton of options. You will see that some say free on the right side down corner, and some you'll have to pay for, which it has the pound sign. Maybe in your country will have a dollar sign, but it will have it. Anyway, I chose this one. I found it quite simple and, I don't know, intriguing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna change the naming, and you guys are gonna watch me sort of create one, and that way you'll know exactly what to do. And while I write off what I need to, if you have a look at the left side of the screen, you're having templates, uploads, photos, elements, texts. You can use absolutely all of them to your advantage. You've also got, for each option you choose, you have a search bar at the top where you can search for a specific thing that you're looking for. Anyway, now I'm looking to upload my own photo, and I had this amazing sort of splash colors that I wanted to add on, but because the file was a bit too big, it didn't allow me to upload it. You'll see in a minute I get a message saying that it's a bit more than what Canva accepts. Anyway, we'll go past it anyway. That's there, it's more than 25 megabytes. Right, so I couldn't use that one. I chose a different one. I know I love anime and so do my children. So I've got this on my computer, and I decided, all right, let's just put it on. I found it very cute, and why not? So I've added that on. I sized it to how I felt was okay for me. Guys, you don't have to do what I do. You can, that's the beauty of Canva. You can use it to your advantage. You can add your own fingerprints on it. I don't know how to say this. It's amazing. This is free, to be honest. It is. I've got Photoshop, Adobe, the whole package. I've got it, and I can create this using that. But I thought, you know what, why not give the world something that they can use, which is free? Because not a lot of people can afford to buy the Photoshop app and stuff. And yeah, I thought this was a lot better to go. And to be honest, even though I have that, I still use this quite a lot. Anyway, I went into the text, and I'm showing you different sort of already created texts that you can use. And I'm also showing you that you can make it bigger, smaller, wider, the whole thing. You can move them about, put them where you want to, see how that goes. But then I'm also going to show you that you can write your own stuff, which that will be at the next intro that I'm going to create. It's still in this video, guys, so keep on holding. I'm showing you loads of nice, easy stuff. Now I'm just thinking, what should I add more? I don't want to make it too, full of everything, but I thought that went quite well, you know, that firework looking thing. And then I was thinking, where should I put it? It doesn't go well there because that's already sort of lighting up like neon. I didn't think it went well with my splashy stuff, but it did go perfectly well on my subscribe now writing. Anyway, now I'm going, what am I going? I'm going to check something else. Yes, that's the one. I really love that one. The color in that, it's like, it's painted, sprayed. I don't know. I love that one, and I think it's just, it gives it a little bit of an oomph. What else? Right, so this is, or is it here that I'm showing you? Yes, it is. Yeah, I'm showing you here. I can add my own, so add a little bit of body, add a subheading or a heading, and that just shows you the different what's it called, my god, I'm losing my words, how big you want it or how small you want the writing. But you can also change all of that later if you're gonna have a look. I'm doing it, see, you're just pulling on the sides and it goes bigger or smaller. Then over here on the top panel you can change the color, you can also change the writing and make a bulk italic and bulk, I'm just gonna call it like that. But then even after I've done that, I decided to change the actual writing altogether. So I'm looking for a nice writing that it makes my channel name look more like a signature than anything else. And I did find it in the end, and I was very pleased. They do have tons of different writings and calligraphy types of writings, but most of them, or some of them, I think it's almost half. Some are free and some you gotta pay for. But I found this one and I'm really happy with it, and I'm so glad it was free. I don't know why I've got something with this kind of writing, guys. I know if it's not something you like, that's okay. It's just something I like, and I really wanted to add it in. Add it, yeah. Right, so that is a 5-second intro video. I've just clicked on play so I can see how it is, if I'm happy with it. I am. And then on the right top corner, I'm just pressing on download, clicking on download, and then download. It literally takes less than a minute to download it into your downloads file. And now I'm showing you again. I don't know why I'm showing you this part again, but please bear with me, guys. I've never actually recorded my my screen, and I didn't know if I showed you absolutely everything that there should be. Oh yes, I'm showing you a different way to search for intros, which is in the search bar. You can just type in YouTube intros, you can type in Instagram posts, you can type in YouTube thumbnails, and all of that comes round for you, gives you loads of options. I've sped that bit up a little bit and it kind of got blurry. I don't know if it's blurry to you guys as well, but yeah, it got blurry to me. And there I'm showing you my second choice, which is this one. I found it quite intriguing, the different names of one proper in your face name, and then the other ones in the background made it so, I don't know, it's a really nice one. And I'm just writing my channel's name, the same thing. I'm not changing anything else to this page. I am adding a second page to it as well. But for now, I'm just changing the names that are from Super Falcon to my channel name. So that's all I'm doing here. Let's try and see if we can fast forward this and then go from there to the next one. So bear with me 1 second. Right guys, so I've done all that, and I'm adding a subheading with a subscribe for more writing on there, which that reminds me, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. I am adding loads of content, well not loads, but I think loads. I'm adding a nice amount of content on my page. Most of my content is about nails, but I am intrigued with loads of different things, hobbies. I have loads, and I am thinking of adding a few extra in here. If you are interested in watching more tutorials on how-tos, regarding you know, thumbnails, intros, how to make your pictures stand out a bit more. I'm good with all that, so let me know if you want to have a look, if you want me to add one of those or more of those. Anyway, now I'm just showing you my second page, which now I'm adding elements. The elements are literally subscribe, comment below, share, like, the ring the bell, click the bell. You haven't actually got a bell to ring, but you can click it. And yeah, this is literally about it, what I do. So I just put them in different sizes, different areas of the page, and then I'm gonna click on play. If you see just above, you're gonna see it soon anyway, but just above it shows you how long your intro is going to be. This one is about 12 seconds long. Now, from what I understood, the best intro would be a maximum of 10 seconds. So this I'm probably not going to use all that much on my YouTube, because I don't want to bore anyone. This is an example of how to create an intro, but please, if you want to have a good intro, go below 10 seconds. Having a long intro, I think, you know, it depends. It also depends on what kind of content you have on YouTube, or what kind of content you want to show people. And yeah, but just for a quick hi, welcome to my channel, subscribe, like, comment, share, I don't think it needs to be more than a couple of seconds. 5 seconds is great, 6 seconds is perfect, and a maximum of 10 if you want to add a few more details onto it. Details could be a short video of what your content is about. It could be a short photo shoot of what you want it to be, of, you know, of what your viewers are gonna watch. Anyway, I'm gonna leave you to it now. I'm gonna put some nice songs on if there's any time left, because I don't even know where I am at the moment. Oh, actually, there's none. Alright, guys. Well, I've spoken, as always, throughout my video. I wish you guys all the best. Look after yourselves. If you do like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. And I'll see you next time. Bye.